It sits at 15 degrees north, 61 degrees west. It was christened White Tickabully by the native Indian population, which means tall is her body. It was the last island in the Caribbean to be colonized. Its 73,000 residents are spread over the 290 square miles of mostly mountainous, green, lush, rugged terrain, and are kept hydrated by an unprecedented 365 rivers and 8 breathtaking waterfalls. It's Wednesday, September 20th, 2017. As dawn breaks, a satellite reveals the colossity of a slow-moving monster carrying a payload of heavy rainfall and winds in excess of 175 miles per hour. In her wake, the sun rises over the sea and the Commonwealth of Dominica lays shattered. Its people overwhelmed and the devastation likened to a country ravaged by war. Hundreds of Dominicans packed the port almost on a daily basis, trying to flee the mud, malaise, and miserable post-apocalyptic living conditions left by Maria.